Hello friends, subscribe my channel. IDP examination based question provide my channel. Let's start. Poor student or student who came from the rural area often find it is difficult to get access to the university education. So some people think the university should make it easier for them to study at. To what extent do you agree or disagree? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗਰੀਬ ਬੱਚੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੀ ਡਿਫਿਕਲਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੀ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਲੈਣੀ। ਸੋ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕੁਛ ਲੋਕ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਨੇ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਕੁਛ ਆਸਾਨ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਸਿਸਟਮ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਟੂ ਵਟ ਐਕਸਟੈਂਡ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ ਐਗਰੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਡਿਸਐਗਰੀ ਹੈ। ਚਲੋ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਏਗਾ, ਰੀਫਰੇਸ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਥੀਸਿਸ ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ, ਫਿਰ BP1 ਤੇ BP2 ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ, ਲਾਸਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਨਕਲੂਜਨ ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਚਲੋ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। There is no doubt that university play an important role in public lives. Every student should have the same right and dignity to enroll in educational institutions. In this regard, some people reckon that the administration in university for low-income students is challenging, and it is essential that some attempt should be made on protocol to give the easy access for poor students. When it came to me, there should be extra support for the poor students that can encourage them to pursue their dream. BP1, firstly, studying in university could have an extra financial burden on the educators. For instance, educators who come from the rural area need to pay for dorms and food supply, but they do not have enough financial support to pay these expenses, so they prefer to work in blue collar job to gain the income rather than educate. Therefore, government could allocate a huge amount of money to offer the loan for the poor students. Secondly, there is a huge difference between the educational level offered in different parts of city. Schools that are located in suburbs do not have the same facility like internet or the latest version of the academic books such as high-level institution. Hence, it is not a fair competition among the students. In order to achieve a balance, it is better that universities dedicate some space for the rural area applicant. BP थर्ड ऑप्शनल ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜੇ ਚਾਹੋ ਤੇ ਬਣਾਓ, ਜੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਨਾ ਬਣਾਓ। ਚਲੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ BP3 ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। Thirdly, students are involved with the latest technology in the university like software or application. However, some applicants have not had a chance to work with computer during the school days, which can lead to low self-esteem in children. Taking into account this issue, some free computer course should be put on the university curriculum to avoid the feeling of the powerlessness. Finally, all the children deserve to receive a better education without considering income status or living area. Although discrimination has become indispensable part of our lives, government should take the drastic measure to protect the student right, offer a better future for them. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.